हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल एड्यूगोल पर। तो आज हमारा जो वीडियो है ये है डेटा रिप्रेजेंटेशन पार्ट 3। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने देखा था टिल हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर्स, इट्स कन्वर्जन। ओके, सो नाउ टुडे वी विल डिस्कस in this video we will discuss the binary arithmetic. Okay, so binary arithmetic, that means how the binary numbers can be added with other binary numbers, or subtracted with other binary numbers, or multiplied or division. Okay, so all the basic mathematical functions, how they can be performed with the binary numbers, we will see in this particular section. Okay, so for the binary addition, suppose if we have a number 101 and we want to add it with 111, so what will be the answer? If I want to get the answer of these binary numbers, addition of these binary numbers, so we need to know a truth table for binary addition. Okay, so there is a specific truth table by which we can get the answer of these kind of questions. So the truth table for the binary addition is, I am making this truth table for binary addition. Okay, so that is, suppose there are two variables, that is x and y. So for addition we will do x plus 1. So suppose when both numbers are 0, that means x and y both are 0, and 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. Now if one number is 0 and another is 1, so 0 plus 1 equals to 1. Now इसी तरह से 1 plus 0 will be 1, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. Why 1 plus 1 is equal to 10? Because whenever you will add 1 with 1 in binary, 1 is represented as 0001 and 0001, and whenever you will add it, it will gives you 0010. Why? Because in decimal numbers, the addition of the two decimal numbers that are 1 plus 1 gives you 2. In the same way, we need the answer 2. So in binary, the addition gives you 1 plus 1 is 10. Okay, so you can carry forward the particular one to the next bit. Okay, now let's solve an example with this particular truth table. Suppose we have a binary number that is 11010 and 11100. These two binary numbers are here, and as we can see in the truth table, 0 plus 0 is equals to 0, 1 plus 0 equals to 1 plus 1 equals to 1, 0 plus 1 equals to 1, and 1 plus 1 equals to 10. So we need the 0 and 1 will be carried forwarded to the next bit. Now solve these two. 1 plus 1 gives you 10. So here you have a 0, and in the next bit 1 will be represented. Now 0 plus 1 gives you 1, and thus 1 will be written down. Okay, so the answer will be 110 If you want to check that your answer is correct or not, so for this you can convert these binary numbers into its respective decimal numbers. I am giving you an example with this so that we can see that our answer is correct or not. So for checking this number, let's convert these binary numbers into its respective decimal numbers. So if we will convert it, we can see that it is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 and 2 power 4. In the same way, it is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 and 2 power 4. So here whenever it is a 1, we will add these powers. So 2 power 4 is 16, 2 power 3 is 8 and 2. So 8 and 2 is 10 and 16 gives you 26. So this is a number 26. Now convert this one. Now 2 powers 4, that is 16 and plus 4 gives you 20 and 8, it is 28. So what the answer should be, that 6 and 8, 14 and 54 should be the answer. So we should check it that it is a 54 or not. So for this, to power 0, to power 1, to power 2, to power 3, to power 4 and to power 5, here we can see that to power 5 is 32, 32 plus 16 plus 4 and plus 2. Now 16 and 4 gives you 20 and 22, and we will add 22, so we will get 54. So our answer is correct. Okay, so as by doing this you can check your addition that it is correct or not while in binary and in decimal both. Okay, now for subtraction there is another table for the binary subtractions. Okay, so then there is another truth table for binary subtraction. Some values will be changed. Suppose subtraction truth table. Okay, so here the number will be subtracted. Okay, so if you will subtract 0 from 0, it gives you 0. When you will subtract 0 from 1, and अभी मैं इसको बताऊंगी. Okay, here if you will subtract 1 from 0, it gives you 1, and if you will subtract 1 from 1, it gives you only 0. Okay, but here you can see that you cannot subtract 0, 1 from 0. So what we should do? We should take a carry. We should borrow 1 from the next. Suppose we have, ऐसा तो जरूरी नहीं है कि 0 - 1 करने. अगर 0 - 1 करने को कहेगा तो आपकी वैल्यू कुछ भी नहीं है, आप 0 कर सकते हो. ठीक है, बट अगर आपके पास ये पॉसिबिलिटी है कि आपके पास इसके अलावा भी कोई नंबर, सपोज मुझे 110 में से मुझे 10 क्या करना है, या 11 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, माइनस करना है. ठीक है, सो व्हाट वी शुड डू, वी कैन टेक अ borrow from the next bit. Suppose here you can see that, suppose we cannot subtract 1 from 0, so we will take a borrow from the next bit. So it will be 10, and it will be 0. Okay, why it will be 0? Because whenever we are doing 1 minus 1, it gives you 0. So यहाँ पे हो गया 0 and यहाँ पे हो गया 10. So 10 minus 1. So 10 minus 1 is equals to, so 10 minus 1 equals to 1. Okay, because 2 में से 1 आप माइनस करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 1, and 10 क्या होता है बाइनरी 2. ठीक है, so 10 minus 1 gives you 1. Now again 10 minus 1 gives you 1, and if you want to check this answer, you can check it. 110 is equals to 6, and 11 is equals to 3, and it gives you 3. So this is the answer of binary subtraction. ठीक है, in the same way, if you want to multiply or if you want to divide any number in the same way, so what we can do, we can make a truth table for the binary multiplication, but there is no truth table for binary division. We can do it in an easy way. ठीक है, जैसे हम नॉर्मल सब्ट्रैक्शन, जैसे नॉर्मल डिवीजन करते हैं, बिल्कुल उसी तरह से होते जाएगा, और वहाँ पे चूंकि हमें सब्ट्रैक्शन ही करनी होती है तो सब्ट्रैक्शन टेबल से हम उसको यूज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, so this is a table for multiplication. This is a table for multiplication. Okay, so for multiplication table we can have, again we can have two variables x and y, and its multiplication over here. In computer multiplication symbol is asterisk. Okay, so I am writing asterisk over here. So if it is 0 and it is 0, it gives you 0, यानी कि 0 into 0 equals to 0. Now if it is 0, if it is 1, so it gives you 0 into 1 gives you 0. If it is 1, it is 0, so 1 into 0 gives you 0, and over here if it is 1 and if it is 1, then 1 into 1 gives you 1. So that means in the subtraction, in the multiplication table, whenever you are having any of a single 0, any variable as 0, it gives you 0, and as a normal multiplication, whenever we are multiplying any number into with another number, any number with 0, it gives you 0. So in the same way here also we will get 0 whenever we will multiply a number with 0, and whenever it is a 1, multiplied with 1, we will get the same number as 1. So for example, we can solve a example with this multiplication table. So suppose here it is a number 1101 and we have to multiply with 111. So what we can do, we can use it using the truth table. So 1 into 1 gives you 1, 1 into 0 gives you 0, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1. Now again in the same way cross, then 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1 and 1 into 1 1. In the same way 1 0 1 1. Now add these numbers. So for addition 1 0 and 1 will be 1 and 1 0 will be 1 and 1 and 1 will be 10. So 0 and 1 will be carry forwarded. Okay, now 1 and 1 will gives you 10. So 0 and 1 carry forwarded. 0 plus 1 gives you 1 and 1 plus 0 gives you 1. Now here carry forwarded 1 and 1 will be 10. So 0 carry forwarded 1, 0 and 1 will be 1 and 1 and 1 will be 10. So in the same way we can see that this multiplication table gives you this answer. Okay, so I am writing this for make you understand and myself also. So you can see this will be the answer. You can if you want you can convert it and you can check the answer is correct or not. Okay, now we will do simple binary division. Okay, so for binary division, suppose I am just trying to make you understand with a example. Okay, with an example. So let's suppose I have a number 111, I have a number 1110111. Okay, so I have to multiply this or I have to divide this. So suppose I am taking it as 110 because 11111 same हो जाएगा. तो 110 से करके देखते हैं. ठीक है. So 110 1 times जाएगा 110. So here it will be crossed. 1 minus 0 will be 1 and then 0 and 1. Okay. So for जैसे हम नॉर्मली डिवीजन करते हैं दो नंबर में एक साथ उतारते हैं तो क्या लगाते हैं 1 0. उसी तरह से हमने क्या यहाँ पे उतार दिया 0 1 किया तो हमने क्या किया 1 0 बढ़ा दिया. आफ्टर दैट 1 0 1 we can see that 1 1 0 and it is 1 0 1. So it is 6 and it is 5. So it will be not subtracted. So we will take another 0 and another 1 will be here. Okay. So now we will subtract it. 1 times 1 minus 0 will be 1, 1 into 1, 1 minus 1 will be 0 and 10 minus 1 will be 1. Again we are having 1 0 1. So what we will do, in the same way we will take another 0 and we will take this 1. Okay, no need to take a 0, just put a 1 over here. Now this is the last one I think. Okay, now 1 0 1 1 again we have 1 times 1 1 0 and it gives you 1 0 1 and it is a remainder. Okay, so there is a remainder in this particular subtraction. So whenever you will convert it and check it, it will give you the correct answer. Whenever you will convert it into the its decimal format. Okay, you can see that. So today I am just telling you about the binary arithmetic. You can write some examples, you can convert it into binary, then you can convert it into decimal and divide and multiply it in a simple way by which watching my previous videos. Okay, so today this is all for this particular section. So from next day we will start the new chapter, a small introduction about the ASCII values, ISCII and other character string sets. I will make a video for that specifically, but till data representation only the binary arithmetic here it is done. Okay, from my side. Now from the third chapter we will start where we will see the binary logics. Okay, so we will start the next chapter. Till now, thank you so much and please like and subscribe my channel if you did it till now. And thank you so much. Have you a good day. But I want your comments, I want questions from you. If you have any doubt or any questions, please make me know about it, so that I can solve those problems and I can try to make good videos on it. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.